Come shopping with us. We were sent this magnetic screen door. Let's check it out. All right, so I've laid out my laser line of where I need to put the Velcro tape. Our door is a little bit different because it's a retrofit door, so we had to get a size that would work for this door. So the instructions are pretty straightforward. Gives you a little list here. Comes with 2 different size Velcro strips. A wider one looks like to be for the top, and a long one for the 2 sides. And it comes with security pins to help hold up the top. Once you got your Velcro all around the frame, it's time to hang up your curtain. So right now I'm adding the push pins that give it a little bit extra more security of staying up at the top. So I got magnets all along that close the screen all the way down.
Come on, Weezy. Good boy.
Yeah.
Come on, Dubby.
Yeah, Dubby, you can do
Come
it.
on. Good boy. Good boy.
There you go.
Good boy. Come on.
There you go. And just like that, we're all done. Very easy install. My wife and I would highly recommend this product.